Hello everyone, this is Alex from Senieer. Throughout this video, we are going to talk about OEB, so let's get started. Today, our topic is what is the health risk of OEB, Part 1. Occupational exposure limits OELs play a critical part in graduating workers and exchange region labor force from exposed to dangerous attention of dangerous in the absence of an OEL, determining the applicable controls demand to cover workers from chemical exposure can be grueling. According to the US Environmental Protection Agency US EPA, the Poisonous Substances Control Act TSCA chemical substances inventory contains over 000 chemicals that are commercially available. US EPA 2015. Yet only about 000 of this has been assigned an authorized government agreement or peer reviewed OEL. Likewise, the rate at which new chemical substances are being introduced into commerce significantly outpaces OEL development, creating a need for guidance on those of chemicals substances that warrant depend exposure limits. Every Thursday, we will post our OEB videos content. If you are interested, you can subscribe our channel. Please stay with us. Like, share, comment on our channel will be inspire us to make videos more and more. Thanks for watching.